hello everybody. Welcome to the EBUS speaking test today. Tell me, what's your name?
My name is Nico.
How do you spell your name?
Nico.
Okay, good. What food do you like?
I like orange.
You like oranges. So
Ice cream.
ice creams also. Good. Do you have any strawberries in your fridge?
No,
No.
I don't. I don't have strawberry.
You don't have any strawberries. Good. So let's move on to finding the differences between two pictures here, A and B. So go ahead. 3 things.
In the picture A, the weather is cloudy. But in the picture B, the weather is sunny.
Good.
In the picture A, the jacket is red, but in the picture B, the jacket is yellow.
Yellow.
In picture A, the monster
has
the monster has 3 legs.
3 legs.
But in the picture B, the monster has 4 legs.
4 legs. Okay, that's good. So let's move on to the part 2 here, which is adding what else. So let's tell me the different thing in the row here.
The picture 2 is different because
Toast,
muffin and hamburger, they are food. But in the picture, but the camera is not food.
So what about the second line here?
The picture 3 is different because the picture 1, 2, 4, they are
Playing, okay.
with the ball.
The bonds.
But in the picture 3, the boy is not playing with the ball.
Okay, good. So, good job. Let's move on to the final part here, which is independent talk. So, talk about what you have and what you don't have in the kitchen.
Hello everyone, my name is Nico. Today I will talk about I don't have and I have in the kitchen. I have some pepper
Some peppers.
and eggs.
Eggs, good.
They are not good.
They're not good. Peppers and eggs, good or not good?
They are good, but I don't have.
You don't have. What you don't have?
I don't have orange.
You don't have oranges. Any oranges? Okay.
Peanut butter
Peanut butter.
and watermelon.
Watermelon. Good. So what can you cook?
I cook rice.
You can cook rice. Okay, that is the end of our speaking test today. Thank you, Nicole. Let's say goodbye to our audience.
Goodbye.